Hello guys, this is Roman Tips. Today I show you how to make a timeline chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Okay, this first, and open Google Sheets and create new project, or open your old project and open project. Okay, and category, view, amount, and click on car. Press shift your keyboard and click this and select all category, select all amount. Okay, in left corner click on insert and click on chart. Okay, open window chart editor. This don't open, click on this, double click. Okay, open chart editor windows and click on setup and click on this, scroll down, search order and search timeline chart. No, no, yes. Okay, click, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me.